Shakali speaking. Today we have developed up to that place. Today we are going to create our server. To create our server, first of all we need to get the Express app. Express app const app equal to Express. So we are using Express first before importing is because before using, if we import for avoiding further problems, VS Code automatically disappears. So that's why I am importing it later. Import Express from Express. Okay, then we go for database DB. We need mongoose.connect. Then we need process dot env dot database. We will bring the database from env file. Then we need then otherwise cache. Okay, so if we have error, cache, we need cache. Okay, so if there is any error, we console.log database connection failed error. Or if it is successful, then we console.log database connected successfully. Okay, then we need some middlewares. Middlewares, middlewares app.use course. Then we need app.use express .json. And we need another middleware app.use Morgan and give it a def flag. Def. So we need port const port equal to process dot env dot port var. By default it is 5000. So app dot listen the port, app dot listen port, then arrow function console dot log server is running on port. Okay, so we need to import these used things. We got mongoose, we need import mongoose, we need Morgan, import Morgan from Morgan, import Morgan from Morgan, then import dot env config .env config, we need course, as we used course here, so we need to import course. Import course from course. Okay, for the time being, import course CORS from course. Okay, right now we are being done with all the necessary files we have. If anything needed, we'll go for it. And right now we need to connect the environment variable file. So where you will get the database file, you see we use database over here, and this database, so we will get it from the environment file. So database equal to, I have the file over here, but I am showing you from where you will collect the file. Okay, you will get the file from here. You go to here, create an account first in MongoDB Atlas. Okay, another thing is that what the name you will provide here, it will be the ultimate database name. I have said it Udemy clone. If you name write it your name, database name will be by your name. Whatever you provided, database will be like that. You will get the database URL from here. It's taking so much time to load. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so we need environment variable and we need port 5000. Okay, so you will get, you see whether I am checking whether my database has been queued. Okay, when you first time use the user, then database will be created, so not now. Okay, where is the database connection? It's taking too much time to load. Okay, from connection you will get the URL. Connect with the MongoDB shell, and from this URL you will get this URL, and you need to just paste it over here and create a username. From where you will get the username? You will get the username from database access, and from network access you should allow your IP. So create the user from here. So I think our database will up and running. Let's see what will happen. If any errors, we will rectify it later. No problem. Errors are part of developer life. We should not be scared about it. Everything is taking too much time to load. I don't know what's the reason. Okay, here's cd server npm start. Let's see. Unexpected identifier, import Morgan from Morgan. Import Morgan from, there is a Morgan. So reference error, port is not defined. Sorry, there is a bit of typo. Port, I think it will be okay. Yeah, hold on. The server is running on port. Where is the problem? Server is running, there is we need not, this is the curly braces, okay, not the first bracket. I think this time it will work perfectly. Syntax error, missing argument after list. Okay, some errors, it's popping up some errors. I am solving it and coming back. So I'm coming back. It is on first bracket was missing. You see database, we are boom, we are successful to connect our database. You see our database connected and server is running on port 8000. So clear npm start. Okay, database connected successfully, server is running on. So we are up and running with our server. Now we need to create the routes and controller files, and if we can do that, we will be able to receive the data in the state, and by Axios we will send it to the backend and then save it to the server. So when we will create the first user, we will see the this database name. You see udemy clone. Right now there is no database over here, so you don't need any write down any name in the MongoDB. Just write down here what the name you will provide. The database will be by this name. Okay, so no more today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay connected. It will be a wonderful journey. Okay, see you soon.